Enjoying your fall season so far? Welcome to my home. Today I am giving you a tour of my fall home decor. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, a little bit of DIY, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of lifestyle. If you're interested in any of this, please subscribe, turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And to you, my fellow Glam Squad, you're the best. I appreciate all the love and the support you guys have been giving me throughout the first season. Alright, so without any delay, you guys, let's get started with the home tour.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover like a river in the dark. You stare me right, you lit the spark, and I can feel you tearing down every wall. Come one, come all. You're like an early morning breeze. Your soft red lips and gentle tease. You must have been sent just for me. Come one, come all. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. Through the fields of young romance, and under blue skies with an open glance, we head over heels, filled with dreams. Come all, everything, just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. We can go wherever. We can be whoever. You and me. Just when I need you, you set sail and navigate. But when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing, and my eyes are set on you. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you.
So guys, in this room, I had made a little bit of change. I just changed the pumpkin. We have a brown pumpkin. Now we have a gold pumpkin. I also changed a couple of the pillows. Instead of having the brown one I had initially, now I have this light one. And then on the accent chairs, I have these pillows instead. They are super cute, love them. I also changed the throw that was in here for this beautiful one. This is another throw that is also from my website. Very pretty and gorgeous, love it. I really like this area because it is functional but also very cute. I have all of my fruits over here, some taper candles to create a beautiful atmosphere, but yet it's still very functional. For those of you who asked about this throw, it is from my website. I'm gonna put the link in the description box for it. I have to bring this here because of the sun out there. The video would have been really dark, so I have to bring it here. Many of you asked, I love these Pampers. They are from Hobby Lobby, and the vase is from Home Goods. Yeah, I know I'm selling vases. I have home decor pieces, but when I went to Home Goods, I saw this vase. I had to grab it. Do you see how beautiful? It's really nice. I love it. I have something similar. It's white and it's a little bit smaller. I have to check to see if it's still available. If it's still available, I will put the link in the description box. But if you're interested in this one, check out your local Home Goods. The only thing, you guys, the Pampers shed like nobody's business. Now I'm all full with like Pampers and dust and stuff like that. So if you have like a noisy person coming to our house, you might be concerned about that. As for me, I don't care. I don't mind, but somebody might feel conscious about it. For those of you who want to know about my beautiful mirrors, I was selling them on my website. Now they are sold out. I will let you know once they come back in stock, but as of right now, they are sold out. This is why, guys, if you see something on my website that you are interested in, you have to get it as soon as possible, because I don't know how long I have any item, and sometimes it takes 6 months, even 7 months for an item to get back in stock. So if you see something you are interested in, please grab it. I love everything about my coffee station. I love the fall decor, but it's just the overall look. Easily one of my favorite spots in the house. Although the space is not big, as you can see, I had to make it work. One day I think I will give you guys more details on how I make this coffee station, because really it's not really a big space, so I had to work with what I have. But I love the way these branches cascading down, so pretty, so original. When I first saw these branches, I'm like, oh my god, they're not a lot. What am I gonna do with them? And I'm like, oh, I know exactly what I'm gonna do with them. They are going to be on top of the shelves in the coffee station area. Probably this was the first thing I knew what to do with for the fall. Bring a little bit of color, because as you can see, I have all white and gold. So with this, I brought a little bit of color, you know. Love these branches. Super cute. For my store, you can get these if you're interested. The canisters are also for my website. Very beautiful, very nice. All right, these I got a little while ago from local stores, but these mugs that's gonna be perfect for the holiday season, beautiful, are also from my website. Also from my website, I only have one available, so if you're interested, you better go check it out right now, because otherwise you're not going to have it. I know some of you do ask, my knife set is from Amazon, so if you are interested, please check it out. Link for it will be in the description box. It came with 2 pair of scissors. I don't know what I did with the other one. The full width is also from Amazon. Okay, you guys, this was it for today. I hope you had enjoyed the home tour. I would like to hear your thought. And remember, if you have to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend and a family member. Also remember to share it on your social media pages. Many of the things that you see in this video were purchased on Amazon. Links for them will be in the description box. Also, link for my home decor store will be in the description box as well. Next week, I am starting with Christmas video. That's why there is no delay. We are getting started with Christmas right away. I hope you are looking forward to seeing it. So you have to subscribe, turning your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, I have uploaded an individual video for each room. If you are interested in any of the rooms to know more details about them, please remember to check out the end of the video, the description box where I'm going to have the playlist. Also, it's going to be listed. It's going to be right up there. If you're interested, make sure to click on it so you can see all the videos if you are interested. As I mentioned, I hope you had enjoyed it and found some inspiration. I cannot wait to see you for Christmas decor. Yeah, I know I always take Christmas decor to the next level. I don't know what I'm going to do this year. Okay, I do know the color and the theme. I just don't know all the details yet, but hopefully it won't be disappointed. I look forward to seeing you all next week. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.